Next, let's look at how we can recover one or more files in case of file level corruption. Before you can do that, you should have already configured your Azure cloud credentials, and you've configured your Azure VMs and disks for discovery and the file system. So in this case, I have already discovered the file system of interest, which is classify. I've also applied policies which will take snapshots on an ongoing basis, using which we can recover any lost data. Let's go to look at our disk on that we can work with. So if I log in to my system, in this I have the MNT/data file system, in which I have a list of files. I have 3 files, each of varying length and content, and I have discovered this file in CloudPoint as well, as you can see on the MNT Data classify. Now let's say because of some mistakes, somebody deletes a file, and also deletes, let's say, sample. Right, so I now am left with only one file. I have lost 2 of those files. Let's see how we can recover using CloudPoint. Using the CloudPoint system, I have already enabled snapshots on the data file system. I go and look at the snapshots that are there. I select one or more snapshots that I know are good, from which I can recover those files. Let's say I select Azure SFR demo and I say index. This creates an indexing job on CloudPoint. Great, now that the index is available, let's go and take a look at the index. So this is the snapshot. The snapshot was indexed, and I can look at the files that were discovered in the snapshot. So I have now recovered all the 3 files. I lost the IP address file and the sample text file. I can select that file and say restore selected granules. This starts a job which now goes and restores the files in the file system. Now that my granular restore job is complete, I can go and take a look at my system, and I say ls -ltr, and there you go. My original files are back and my recovery is complete.